When the two fighters on the marquee are Max Holloway and Charles Oliveira, you know you're in for an all-out war. Charles Oliveira has the most finishes in UFC history, and when he fights, it's like watching a car crash unfold right in front of your eyes. He's a pressure fighter, and he throws every shot with the intent to put you out. And his opponent, Max Holloway, the Volume King, has never seen a fight that he did not like. It's fitting that two of the greatest mixed martial artists of all time are competing to decide who is the BMF in UFC. There's hundreds of fighters in the UFC, but there can only be one BMF.